Yeah, now I'm back. But you know, as I told you that we need to plant grasses. This time, we planted and harvested this grass. I've been away for only 1 week or 2 weeks. Yes. But look at the grasses I left when it was very, very short. Look at how it is now. So I need to reharvest again. I harvested not actually less than a month now, but again now I need to harvest. So I don't even have where I can store the grass. This grass is called Chloris Guyana, and it has all the nutritional values that we really need. So I have harvested the first season. My house is already full. Then I need to harvest another time. My dear, there is no any reason why we can fail to do farming. More so we Ugandans. Because this time we did not get even a dry spell. So that means if I had only this area, I would just spend more money on building the houses. Every time I build more houses, so that I can harvest more grasses. So basically, this is what we have, and now I'm ready. I think this time I have to wait for it, so that it makes 3 months, because I have no space where I'm putting it now, and some other thing, I will need to harvest all these grasses. So that means in two months to come, I will have more other pasture seeds for planting. So this is a perfect project, and growing of pastures is also another ideal project that somebody would do. But for us who are farmers, manufacture the grass, go take it to the animals, let the animal convert into muscles. So basically, farming is becoming very easy and very simple. Just because if you're practicing it in the right way and you have a right team to work together. Thank you very much, and let me wish you the best. Yeah, so that is all about nutrition.